Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a closer look at a surprisingly versatile and undeniably fun instrument, the CashBeat 4-inch steel cowbell. Now, when you hear cowbell, you might think of a specific sound, but this little powerhouse brings a whole lot more to the table. Right out of the box, its compact 4-inch size is immediately noticeable. Don't let that fool you though. This is a solid piece of equipment. Made from steel, it feels robust and durable, promising to withstand plenty of enthusiastic use. It comes complete with a comfortable handle, making it perfect for hand percussion and a stick, so you're ready to start making some noise right away. No need to hunt for extra accessories. CashBeat has you covered. The sound is where this cowbell truly shines. It's advertised as a loud noisemaker, and it absolutely lives up to that claim. The clear tapping sound it produces cuts through ambient noise with impressive clarity and volume. Whether you're looking to add a sharp, rhythmic accent to a drum set, or you need to make your presence known at a sporting event, this cowbell delivers. It's not just loud for the sake of being loud. There's a distinct, bright tone that makes it musically useful as well as an effective attention grabber. One of the most appealing aspects of the CashBeat cowbell is its incredible versatility. For drummers, it's an excellent addition to any kit. Its easy to mount design means you can quickly integrate it into your existing setup, adding a new layer of percussive texture. But its utility extends far beyond the drum kit. Imagine the energy it can bring to sporting events, rallying the crowd with its unmistakable clang. Or picture it at concerts, providing a unique percussive flair. Even at weddings, it could be a fun, celebratory noisemaker, adding a touch of unexpected joy. The ease of use is another major plus. The handle is ergonomic, making it comfortable to hold and play for extended periods. And for those who want to mount it, the design is straightforward, ensuring a secure fit without any fuss. This means less time setting up and more time enjoying the vibrant sound it produces. In conclusion, the CashBeat 4-inch steel cowbell is more than just a simple noisemaker. It's a well-constructed, highly versatile, and surprisingly powerful hand percussion instrument. Its clear, loud sound, durable steel construction, and ease of use make it an excellent choice for drummers, sports enthusiasts, event organizers, or anyone who needs a reliable and impactful way to make some noise. It truly stands out as a fantastic option for adding that extra punch to any occasion.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.